Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I'm diving into the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner in black, a waterproof and vegan-friendly liquid eyeliner that promises precision, durability, and that coveted matte black finish. If you're a fan of bold, long-lasting eyeliner that holds up through everything, then stay tuned, because I'll be sharing all the details you need to know before adding this product to your collection. First off, let's get into what makes this eyeliner stand out. It features a flexible, ultra-precise tip that glides smoothly across the lid, making it effortless to create anything from a delicate thin line to a dramatic winged look. The real magic of this liner lies in its customizable finish. By adjusting the pressure, you can control the thickness of the line, which is perfect for anyone who loves to experiment with their eye makeup. NYX also made sure this liner is cruelty-free, this aligning with their commitment to vegan and ethical beauty. In my experience, using this liner was a breeze. The applicator tip is incredibly precise, which helps to avoid any smudging or feathering, even on first application. When I tested it, the color payoff was intense. One stroke gave me that jet black finish that didn't fade throughout the day. This liner also handled itself well under different conditions, from humid days to long nights, proving it's truly waterproof and long-lasting. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the Epic Ink Liner's formula is both smudge-proof and waterproof, ideal for those who need their makeup to last without touch-ups. The rich, matte black finish adds depth and intensity to any look. However, I noticed that depending on the pressure, the ink flow can be a little inconsistent, which could require some practice for beginners. On the other hand, it dries quickly, so you'll want to be careful with mistakes, as it can be tricky to correct once it sets. Compared to other liners like the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, NYX offers a similar long-lasting, waterproof performance, but at a more affordable price point, making it a fantastic budget-friendly option. Unlike some high-end liners, which may run over $20, the NYX Epic Ink Liner provides professional quality at less than $10. It may not have as large a color selection, but for a solid black liner, it's tough to beat this value. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon to stay updated with more of Beautyistic's beauty insights. Your support helps us bring you the latest in makeup and skincare, so you won't want to miss out. Now, would I recommend this eyeliner? Absolutely, especially for anyone who values a long-lasting and cruelty-free option that doesn't break the bank. However, if you're just starting out with liquid liner, you might need a little practice due to the ink flow. But once you get the hang of it, this liner performs beautifully. In terms of longevity, the waterproof formula ensures it lasts all day without smudging or fading, which is a must for any high-quality eyeliner. This liner would be perfect for anyone looking to achieve a classic cat eye or a bold winged look that holds up throughout the day. If you have sensitive skin or prefer vegan products, you'll appreciate that it's cruelty-free and gentle. Overall, the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner in black is a great investment for anyone looking for reliable and high-impact results. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you're interested in grabbing this liner, check out the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, or if you've already tried it, drop a comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep rocking those stunning looks.